At this point, batiin muna natin ang happy birthday si Diva. Diva, asan ka? Come over here. Ganda-ganda mo, happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday sa kanya. Is there anybody that you want to thank? Ayan, maraming salamat. May Sassy family, Artie Center family, GMA family, Diva Collins, Diva Natex, hello. Thank you, Flawless, Tony and Gray, bands, thank you. Yes, happy birthday, Diva. Well, but now, judges, na-appreciate niyo ba ang old versus new concept ng tweet yan?
Welcome muna natin mga kaibigan. Madam, Miss Jacqueline Josenda! Ano ba? Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna say much, but right now, this is the team to beat. From the dancers, to the singers, to the actors, lahat bonggang-bongga. There's not much I can say, kundi talagang I was entertained. I'm sure everyone at home enjoyed the visuals, the black and white and the color, the old and the new. Literal, pero talagang bongga.
Talagang kung makapagsalita ka, this is the team to beat, ha? Eh, dalawa lang naman sila.
Kaya nga, kaya parang hindi masyadong mabigat.
Ano ka ba? Team to beat, dalawa lang sila.
Exactly. Kakapalag lang ng Gatsby.
Great Gatsby, si
The Great Gatsby ni
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Nakita ko yung dance nung period, yung ginawa nung kabilang team. I'm expecting more. Nevertheless, naiintindihan ko naman yung pressure and stress and everything. Hindi ako masyadong masaya.
Yan.
Pero meron naman
Kailangan maging
merong mga numbers naman na nakakatuwa. For example, this lady in front of me.
Francesca.
Yes. Of course, si Rochelle, the dance move, hindi nagbabago. Medyo nalito lang ako dun sa past and present.
Black and white.
Black. Pero yung sa TV, I'm sure maganda yung pagkakagawa ng black and white color.
Ganda, very effective yung black and white, tapos yung tumatawid kayo from old and new. Very nice. Nakita namin lahat ang hirap niya sa rehearsal. Very good, guys. Galing. Julian, no? Sexy ni Julian, no? Very nice, very nice.
Grabe! Talaga ang tweet yan. Ako parang gusto ko yung effect ng black and white tapos color. Tapos gumagano-gano lang sila. Nako, Mark and Rochelle, good luck talaga. Ang ganda naman ang number nyo, I like it. Eto na! Kasama natin ngayon dito ang pinagsanit na puwersa ng Ligang I Like at Tropang Trending. Ang Tropang I Like. Kaya, paano nyo naman tatapatan ang performance ng Tweet Gang? Sige nga, kamusta naman kayong dalawa?
Okay naman tayo.